I'll guide you through how to create Google Business Profile. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to google.com/business/. Once you're on the page, click the Manage Now. Next, you'll be asked to enter your business name and select the category that best describes what your business offers. After that, provide the area you serve, especially if your business delivers or works within specific regions. Then, you'll need to enter your phone number and website, and you'll also have the option to enable Google Chat, so customers can send you messages directly. To continue, type in your business mailing address. This information is used for verification purposes to confirm that your business is legitimate. After that, you'll be given the option to add details such as working hours, a business description, photos, and even a Google Ads offer. These steps are optional, so feel free to skip them. Once everything is filled in or skipped, click Continue to finalize the setup. And just like that, your Google Business Profile is ready to use.